At a place where the Balkan Hills and fertile Pannonian Plain collide, there is an area where agriculture is developed more intensively than in any other parts of Europe. On these sunny hills of Šumadija, on mountain slopes of Koponik, Tupiznica, Jastrebac, on hillsides near the deep waters of the Danube River which runs towards the Black Sea, the finest sweet fruits and wines are produced. In tranquil parts of the Pannonian Plain, Srem, Bajka and Banat, supreme quality cereals and oil crops are grown. Vegetables are especially tasty in the valleys of large rivers near the Morava and the Sava. In this very place, a powerful industry has been established which can supply farmers with everything they need in order to produce the best fruits, healthy and tasty. Chemical Agrosava is a modern, dynamic company with the most advanced pesticide production plant in southeastern Europe. That is the core of our business. 25 kilometers away from Belgrade, near Šimanovci, there is a complex of industrial plants on several tens of hectares, which consists of chemical reactors, tanks, pipes, laboratories that can carry out almost every pesticide formulation in the world. We can mill any raw material to particle sizes of a few microns in pharmaceutical mills filled by zircon beads. We can perform any chemical reaction in tanks with controlled temperature and atmosphere. We are able to dissolve any corrosive, unstable active ingredient and make useful, stable formulation. We carry out SC, EC, WG, WP, SL, EW, OD and GR formulation. Our portfolio includes fungicides, insecticides, herbicides and zoocides. We have established a successful cooperation with the world's largest multinational Chinese and Indian companies, such as Bayer, BASF, Syngenta, DuPont, Dow AgroScience, Roda, United Phosphorus, Garda, Indofil, Zhejiang, Zhangshang, etc. Starting from 2018, we have established the largest water dispersible granule production plant in southeastern Europe. Chemical Agrosava exports products to the European Union, Russia, the Maghreb region, Middle East, Turkey and to all neighbouring countries. Approximately 5,000 tonnes of pesticides is produced annually in packages from 1.25 grams to 1,000 litre packages. We are able to pack the product in aluminium foil, 3-layer or 4-layer HDPE packages according to all DIN standards, drums or tanks. If necessary, we use inert gases in packaging in order to guarantee unchanged quality of the product that reaches our end users. In average, 10 million different pesticide packages come from the production plant in Šimanovci every year. All products are stored in air-conditioned warehouses with a 26,000 euro pallet capacity. Throughout the year, a constant 20 degrees centigrade temperature is maintained in the warehouse, which is essential in order to preserve product quality. In addition, we have numerous warehouses throughout the Balkans. Our production has acquired all necessary certificates in order to be exported to any country in the world. Since 2005, we have been qualified by DQS, German certification body. There is no certificate in our branch that we have not received for occupational safety, environmental protection and quality control. The important part of the company is the pesticide testing laboratory in the most advanced GC and HPLC devices. We are able to analyse and determine 1/1000th of a tested substance in solution. The laboratory controls raw materials and final products. In a completely separate development laboratory, we are able to examine any new industrial processes by simulating the behaviour of active substances, solvents and additives in mass production in a pilot plant. Pesticide production technology is what we know best. In addition, Chemical Agrosava engages the formulation of water-soluble fertilisers. 15 years ago, we initiated the plant breeding programme. Over 50 different corn hybrids have been registered within the company as hybridi. We were among the first companies in the world to start the selection of leafy corn hybrids suitable for silage and bioenergy production. Over 80,000 trials were conducted annually in order to make the best hybrid combinations. The selection programme of wheat, sunflower and other oil crops is in progress. We expect to have the first commercial varieties and hybrids on the market in 2020. In the state-of-the-art seed processing centre, we not only process our seed, but the seed of other European companies too. Seed is produced on strictly supervised fields near the seed processing centre. It is dried in a modern dryer, then undergoes primary processing, selection, grading and cleaning in order to be prepared for secondary processing and coating with the best protective materials and micronutrients. Approximately 250,000 sowing units of our own hybrids are produced every year. In addition, we distribute seeds of some of the largest seed companies such as Saturn Union and Strube. Each production step, germination, purity, selection process is controlled in our certified seed laboratory. We care about the environment. We were the first to establish a special company for recycling used pesticide containers in our country. Each segment of our sensitive production process is strictly controlled. Each solvent or agent that can be recycled is recycled. Thanks to air and water filters installed in the factory, the water coming out of the factory is clean and can be used as technical water. The air coming out of the factory contains less pollutants than the air entering the factory. We use bioenergy derived from corn seed production residues in order to heat warehouses and produce hot air and water in industrial procedures. When purchasing any equipment, from computers to the most expensive laboratory equipment or even trucks, we take care of reducing energy consumption. In the end, the greatest strength of Chemical Agrosava lies in the people that work for us. From Morocco through the European Union to Russia, people are the ones that make one company great. We directly employ almost 100 agricultural engineers and 10 doctors of science. People, morale and fair play, this is the only way to succeed in this business. We are a company that has received the BISNODE's AAA certificate. Life is a delicate thing, and life is what we do. What can we do for you? Chemical Agrosava, life in safe hands.